Dear students, now this is a question of worksheet 1, conceptual question, worksheet 1, question number 10, that is asked by you. A neutron, proton and electron and an alpha particle, 4 particles are there, neutron, proton and alpha particle and electron also, enter a region of uniform magnetic field with equal velocity. All 4 are having same velocity. The magnetic field is inward to the plane of the paper, as in the diagram it is shown. The tracks of the path are labeled in the figure A, B, C, D. Relate the tracks of the particle. Very first concept which we have studied, that concept we should use here. That is what, if any particle, a charged particle entering into magnetic field perpendicular, then it will show a circular path, and centripetal force required will be provided by Lorentz force, magnetic Lorentz force. That is, we know mv by r is equal to qb, or r is equal to mv upon qb. Now in this question already given to us that all are entering with same velocity and in same magnetic field, means r will be proportional to only m by q. Okay, so accordingly we are to identify. We know that for electron, first electron, then proton, and then third one alpha particle, and the fourth one is neutron. We know that on neutron no charge is there, so if no charge, then no effect. So from here we are sure, very much sure, that for neutron the trajectory will be C. It will move in a straight way. So C is there. Now what about remaining 3? For remaining 3 we have to compare this m by q. Okay, for electron, that is what, mass of electron upon charge on electron. For proton, that is mass of proton upon charge on proton. For alpha particle, that is mass of alpha particle upon charge on alpha particle, that is q alpha. Here it is same, here it is. And what about this? Charge on mass of alpha particle is equal to 4 times of mass of proton, and charge is twice of charge on electron. So from here you can say that which one is the maximum, either this or this or this. So I will name it, that is R. I will name it, that is R for electron, radius of electron, radius of proton, and radius of alpha particle. So from here we can say that alpha particle is going to have maximum radius. Then we know both are almost similar, but mass of proton is greater than mass of electron, so then proton and then the radius of electron. Now how to identify these 3 things in diagram? So alpha particle, it is having maximum radius. Which one is showing maximum radius? B. So alpha particle will be showing the trajectory B. Alpha particle will show the trajectory B. Then proton will show the trajectory A. Then electron, it will bend the first and most, that is what it is, electron. I think the point is clear to all. Thank you. In case doubt, you can ask me.